Opposition leader Allen Chastanet is accusing the incumbent of abuse of power with their majority in Parliament. The House of Assembly suspended Chastanet from Parliament for failing to apologize and retract budget debate allegations he made of government corruption in the Bannans Bay land sale. House Speaker Claudius Francis instructed the Sergeant-at-Arms to stop Chastanet from walking out of the chamber before the House voted on a motion coming out of a point of order on his allegations. Chastanet has filed a case in the High Court alleging the House Speaker breached his constitutional rights and unlawfully detained him.
The case that was filed yesterday is me saying we need to take a stand. And we, I mean all of St. Lucia. This is a government that since the elections in 2021 believed that their supermajority of 15-2 in the House gives them special powers to supersede our Constitution, the rule of law, and in particular our civil liberties.
Chastanet is fresh off a case with Francis that ended in a consent order that awarded him costs in the House Privileges Committee procedural matter. The opposition leader is sticking to his Bannans Bay land sale claims.
For questioning a process that by itself says corruption, that you don't want to accept the valuation that was done in 2013. You want to suggest that parcel 11 and parcel 50 are two different pieces of parcel of land by simply saying that parcel 11 doesn't exist today? Well, the same can be said. Parcel 50 didn't exist 9 years ago. And the reason why it didn't exist is because parcel 11 and parcel 50 are one in the same.
Although the validity of the opposition leader's assertions about the value of the land is debatable, the House Speaker during the sitting maintained that Chastanet failed to provide evidence of corruption, thus the call for a retraction. Chastanet claims the case is about the people and not the government. With that said, he is raising funds to pursue the court case. Chastanet is rallying public support.
This court case today that we filed yesterday is a landmark case in the defense of our Constitution, in the defense of our civil rights. And it's not about Allen Chastanet, but it's about all of us. And I want to thank the hundreds of people who've already contacted me in support for what we're doing. We're going to be doing a major fundraiser to raise monies for this case, because this case is a milestone case in the history of St. Lucia. And I'm hoping that everybody will join me in support to make sure we remind this government that while they may have a supermajority, we do have our Constitution, and that they have to live within the remits of our laws and our Constitution.
The affidavit from the leader of the opposition seeks relief from the courts, stating that the House Speaker has no power to suspend him for an indefinite period or at all any of the House members. Chastanet says the order to prevent him from leaving was unlawful and violated his rights. Joachim Duplessis, HDS News Force.